Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2 and today I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. And the power saving mode is designed to extend the battery life on your watch. It does it by turning off some of the functions of the watch, which basically causes your watch to use less power. Okay, so let's get started. And first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and in the quick panel you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will look like the battery icon with the leaf on it. This is the battery saver icon, and if you want to enable the power saving mode, you simply tap on it and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon getting highlighted by the white color appearing, and also the icon will appear right here at the top, and if you go to the watch face you will see the icon on the watch face as well. And now the watch disabled some of the functions of your watch to prevent or increase the battery life. And of course, if you want to disable it, you simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon and the icon will disappear. It will go back to the gray color. That means that the power saving mode is disabled. You can also enable a clock mode, which is like a ultra power saving mode basically, and it turns off most of the functions of the watch, gives you only time to access to time, and that's about it. And that will save the most amount of power, of course. So if you're in a pinch, you can always enable it. And to enable it, you open the quick panel, press and hold on the battery icon to go to the battery settings. Here we have normal power saving, and you can see what it does. It turns off wake up gesture, rise to talk, always on display, Wi-Fi, limits the CPU performance and stuff like that. And then we can keep scrolling down, and there is this option called watch only. And this will basically turn off everything except the watch face when you press the home key. And if you tap on it, tap on turn on, the watch will reboot and it will boot into watch only mode. Here we have it, and that's how it looks like. That's the only thing you have access to, and this time, or in this mode, the watch will extend the battery life quite a bit. So if you're in a pinch and you don't want your watch to die, you can always enable the clock mode. And to exit the mode, you press and hold the home button, or wake up the screen first, then press and hold the home button, and keep holding it until you will see normal watch face, I believe, or the watch reboots, one of those. Okay, if you see the Samsung logo on the screen, you can then release the button and the watch will reboot into a normal mode. And here we have it. We're back in the normal mode. So that's about it. That's how you turn on and off the power saving mode. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. And see you in the next one.